What's up, guys? Dencoup69 in the house, and today I'm gonna take a quick ride on the not the S1000, sexy beast. Can't get enough of this bad boy. But today I'm gonna go on a ride on this R1250 GSA HP Adventure. All right, sexy beast in its own right, but it's a fat boy. It's a fat boy compared to the S1000, obviously, but a completely different feel. So now I got the Acra on there. Gonna take it down to Sandy Hook. Let's see how it does. All right, so follow me on this trip. I hope you enjoy. Please stay tuned for a very important and exciting video of us heading down to Lake George tomorrow. So that's going to be some awesome footage there. You're going to get to see a lot of great stuff. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And again, please subscribe, Dencoup69. And thank you for supporting my channel.